Hey everyone, we're here at helpyou.live or helpyou.live. Both are true. And we're going to show you our social media manager. We're going to have more onboarding soon, but they're available 24/7, 365. And just wanted to demonstrate how easy it is to create content. Hey there, Anthony. I'm a therapist and I want to create 15 posts for social media, let's say on Facebook, with mental health tips included. Can you help me out? And it didn't listen right. I think it said hips, but anyway, should work all right. Mental health tips, specific topics, preferences for tone. Why don't you decide on all of it and just do a great job, please? Start with 15 of the posts. So now at 53 seconds, and he's giving us our first tips here. Let's see. They look a little short to me. Hey, Anthony, these look great, but please make them a little bit longer and include some emojis and hashtags in there too, please. We're now at 1 minute and 13 seconds. We'll see if he can clean this up a little bit in a reasonable time. Okay. Looks like some of these are a little bit longer. We got some emojis, we got some hashtags. Looks good enough for me. These look great. Please give me another 15 with different mental health tips than the first ones. You can write it in the same style. That looks good. And length. And actually, this is, if you're in something, I don't know if I mentioned it, you just press the Windows key and H and you can speak. Otherwise, you can just type this stuff. So we're in 1 minute 53, 54, and our 30 posts are done. So in under 2 minutes, we did 30 social media posts. Let's check them real quick. Take time, self-care, prioritize quality sleep. Okay, these look like relevant hashtags. I'm not going to check all of them, but set realistic goals, practice mindfulness, engage in hobbies, maintain a healthy diet. We'll see if these ones are different. Lifelong learning, music, furry friend, journal your thoughts. Okay, looks like these are all different. And they look like legitimate recommendations, tips, mental health tips. I'm not going to review it any further, but I'm kind of curious if he's just good with that. So we're going to test something else out. Hey there, Anthony. These are fantastic. What I'd like you to do is, instead of writing these as a therapist with mental health tips, write them as if you're a real estate investor sharing tips about flipping houses and doing construction. All right, we got location, location, location. Crunch the numbers, plan your renovations, hire reliable contractors, pay attention to design, understanding zoning regulations, curb appeal matters, showcase your work, price it right, know your target market, connect with local real estate investors and professionals, stay educated, plan for contingencies. These are actually all really good tips, I think. And then to share it all on social media. Hey, these look fantastic. Can you please write me another 15 with 15 different tips than the first? And you can see too, it included the social media hashtags. It included some relevant emojis in there. We're now at 3 minutes and 37 seconds, 3:38, and it's done with the next 15. So that's 3 minutes and 42 seconds basically to create a month's worth of social media posts for two different, totally different industries. So again, check it out at helpyou.live or helpyou.live.